Tensions escalated in Unnao, Uttar Pradesh on Sunday evening as a procession displaying I Love Muhammad banners led to violent clashes with the police. The incident occurred in Shuklaganj where a group of Muslim youths organized the rally without prior permission. The procession was reportedly inspired by similar demonstrations in Kanpur and fueled by social media posts. As the procession advanced towards Manohar Nagar, police intervened, citing the lack of authorization for such gatherings. When protesters refused to disperse, the situation quickly deteriorated. Witnesses reported that demonstrators began pelting stones at the police, leading to a chaotic confrontation. During the altercation, Ganga Ghat Inspector Ajay Kumar Singh's uniform was damaged, with his insignia torn off. Several police officers narrowly escaped injuries amid the turmoil. In response, law enforcement deployed lathi charge to disperse the crowd. Authorities apprehended over half a dozen individuals, including women, for questioning. Among those detained were minors who had reportedly been influenced by online content promoting the rally. The police emphasized that no permission had been granted for the procession and such unauthorized gatherings would not be tolerated. The unrest in Unnao is believed to be linked to a prior incident in Kanpur's Rawatpur area. On September 4, a dispute arose when a banner reading I Love Muhammad was placed near a Ram Navami procession route. This led to tensions between communities, with Hindu groups demanding a removal of the banner. Subsequent legal actions were taken, including the registration of FIRs against several individuals. The Unnao incident has drawn attention to the broader implications of such protests. While some view these demonstrations as expressions of religious sentiment, others perceive them as provocative acts that disrupt communal harmony. Local authorities have called for calm and urged residents to refrain from participating in unauthorized rallies. As investigations continue, the situation remains tense. Police are analyzing social media activity to identify and apprehend other individuals involved in organizing or promoting the unauthorized procession. Community leaders have been engaged to mediate and ensure that peace is maintained in the region. This incident serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between religious expression and public order. Authorities are emphasizing the importance of adhering to legal procedures when organizing public gatherings to prevent such disturbances in the future. For more updates, keep watching the News Point.